Hey everyone, welcome to this new amazing video tutorial. So in this video tutorial, I will show you that how you can add direct checkout button to your WooCommerce product, okay? By default, if I click on add to cart, you can see that this is actually adding to the cart, but this is not taking us to the checkout page. But I want to take the user to the checkout page, okay guys, with this specific product, okay? So for doing that, I'm just simply clicking on this close icon here, okay? Actually, this is my theme style. That's why it's appearing from the right hand side of my screen, okay? But in your case, maybe this will be here, okay? So this will be some here, okay? So simply go back to your WordPress dashboard and hover over here on WooCommerce and click on settings, okay? And then guys, simply click on this products and you have to simply change the small settings here. Click on this redirect to the cart page after successful addition, okay? And then scroll down and click on save changes, okay? And simply scroll down and we have to add a new plugin. So click on add new and the plugin name is Direct, D-I-R-E-C-T, Direct, C-H-E-C-K-O-U-T, checkout button for WooCommerce, W-O-O-C-O-M-M-E-R-C, WooCommerce, okay guys? And then you can see that the plugin is searching. Wait a few seconds, and you can see that here's your plugin. This plugin is by theme. This is actually TechMix. Make sure to check this by TechMix and click on install now. And you can see that the plugin is actually installing. And then click on activate. And the plugin will be activated. And then scroll down. Oh, sorry, not actually scroll down. Hover over here on this WooCommerce. And you can see here options called direct checkout. This options actually came from the WooCommerce, new WooCommerce plugin that we have installed. And from here, you can simply change the button text. Suppose you want to add here order now, okay? Simply type here order now, or simply I'm just writing here C-H-E-C-K-O-U-T, check out, okay? And you can also add here a button plus, but I'm just simply keeping this default. Just keep this blank. And you must have to take this checkbox. Here it says enable skip cart for all products. This will send all products directly to the checkout and skip the cart. If you keep this box unchecked, then add to cart and buy now button both are working. Okay? So simply click on save changes and go to the front end of your website and reload your shop page. Okay? And then hover over here on your product and simply click on add to cart. And you can see that after clicking on add to cart, this is actually taking us to the checkout page directly. I hope that you have understand. If I visit to my shop page, guys, simply I'm clicking on my logo, daily web service, and scroll down. You can see that we have a lot of products here. Okay, let me just open this link in a new tab. Let me try it from incognito window. Okay, and guys, let me test this again. Simply let me close this pop-up. Actually, this pop-up is actually coming from the theme. And then simply click on this icon here. Okay, and this will take us to the checkout page. So I hope that you have understand how this is actually working. So guys, this is how you can easily add a direct checkout button for WooCommerce. So that's all for today's lecture. I hope that this video was really helpful for you. And if you really like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. And if you face any problem, then don't forget to comment down below. And if you want to hire us for any types of website related problems, then you can simply visit dailywebservice.com. I will give a link in the description down below of our official website. You can hire us. And guys, obviously, it's a request to all of you. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. That's all for today's lecture. See you in the next video. Goodbye and stay with us. Love you all.